So I bought these lights here from Alibaba, and one of my car lights, the left one had blown out and I needed to change it anyway. So I'd put some halogen lights there before, and now when I changed to these, I think they're LED. I don't know how they'll work. I don't know if they'll overheat, but it's an old car, and these third-party lights, you know, they seem nice when they're advertised on these platforms. So I'm gonna put them there and try it and see how it works, and I'm gonna show you how it does. The lights I'm gonna show you. I also got parking lights. They're LEDs. They're very small. They came in pairs, around 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5. That's 10 of them. That's 5 pairs. Yes, to 2. I'm gonna install these. They were blue in the pictures, so after installing, we'll see how that looks. So this being a Honda Civic 2010, it's so easy to replace these bulbs. You just open the cap. There's a cap that is placed behind the lamps. I think it's to prevent dust from getting into it, so it's pretty simple. So you push your hand in there, then twist it, is it anti-clockwise, I believe, and then that should open the place where the bulbs are. Disconnect the wires and bam, there you are. So what I usually do when I'm changing my bulbs is, mostly you'll find one of the bulbs is working correctly. I'll just switch it to the box that I'm changing the other bulb from, and in case my bulb not working somewhere on the road, then I'll just take the old bulb, put it in there, then get home, and then I'll figure something else after that. I recommend that you do it yourself too, because it's gonna help you at some point. These wipers need some change also, and yeah, it's a bit challenging to me because I've never done it anyway, but overall I think everything turned out nice and good. The lights are perfect, and I couldn't do anything much than what I've done. So hope you learned something from these, and you can do something by yourself at home. And if you like this video, subscribe.